Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up a sleep focus schedule on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now you can set up the sleep focus schedule in the Health app. If you are in Settings and in Focus and then in Sleep, you can see in here in the Customize screens, and that below that is the schedule section. There is no schedule time, and at the moment it is turned off. So what you want to do is tap on Health app, or you can open up the Health app from your home screen or from your app library. So in the Health app, go down and tap on Sleep. In here, go down and go to your schedule section. Then tap on Sleep schedule. Make sure the toggle button is turned on. And then it says here, use schedule for sleep focus. So make sure this is turned on so that we can incorporate this schedule into your sleep focus. Next, we go down and in the full schedule, tap on Edit. And here you can choose the days active. So choose which day this schedule will apply to. You can apply from Monday to Saturday, 7 days a week. From Monday to Sunday. And in here you can choose your bedtime and wake up. Now drag on this yellow bar. So this is the bedtime. You can see as I drag it, this is your bedtime. So let's say we go to bed at 8:30 and choose when to wake up. So say wake up at 5 o'clock. So we have 8.5 hours of sleep. And that's it. So now we go down and choose whether you want to turn on or turn off alarms for this particular schedule and particular focus. And then you can choose whether to have a snooze or not, the alarm volume, and other options such as your sound option. And that's it. So tap on done. Okay, so we have now set the schedule. You can also add in more schedule if you wanted to, and other additional settings, the wind down time, sleep goal, and so on. So if we go back into your sleep focus profile, in here now you can see the schedule time has been activated, and from here you can also change the time. You can change your schedule time from here directly from the sleep focus. And that's it. That is how you can set the sleep focus schedule on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.